most expensive toys, and they'll be happier playing with something around the house. Here, give her this.
I'll pass on that, but you did give me an idea. Gotta keep her occupied for a while. It's too depressing.
You know, I love kids, but I think Blair's family has the right idea about hiring someone to take care of them.
I'm surprised they didn't hire someone to give birth to him.
Do you understand what we're saying? Good. Hi, guys.
Oh, hey, this must be Bailey. Yeah, Bailey, this is Andy. I saw your elephant double parked outside. It's a little circus humor.